started it all. I was just a little puppy, barely learned to crawl. They fired up the engine, it took off real fast, and I chased that thing for hours till it ran out of gas. You know you're slick like Cadillac, don't give me no thrill. I ain't got a lot of interest in your coupe de ville. If you're riding in a limo, buddy, you're out of luck. I only wanna spend my life at chasing me a truck. Hey! Well, I must admit that chasing cats ain't all that bad. And one time I even tried to catch a cab. But you know the thing that I would rather chase instead is just a muddy old pickup with a rusted out bed. You know you're slick like Cadillac, don't give me no thrill. I ain't got a lot of interest in your coupe de ville. If you're riding in a limo, buddy, you're out of luck. I only wanna spend my life with chasing me a truck. Come on! Hey! Mercedes-Benz, and I don't care for Porsches, I won't make amends. Don't care what they think, don't care what they say. I'm gonna be chasing after trucks until they put me away. You know you're slick like Cadillac, don't give me no thrill. I ain't got a lot of interest in your coupe de ville. If you're riding in a limo, buddy, you're out of luck. I only wanna spend my life at chasing me a truck.